Welcome to Tetryonics, the grand unified theory of everything, a revolutionary framework where physics, chemistry, mathematics, and cosmology converge through one universal language: equilateral charge geometry. Tetryonics replaces probabilistic models with deterministic, falsifiable, geometry-native structures. From Planck scale energy quanta to galactic formation, every phenomenon is governed by the same foundational principle. Charged fascia geometry creates all mass, energy, matter, and forces. This is not a metaphor, it's literal. Welcome to the future of science. Quantum mechanics has long been shrouded in mystery: wave-particle duality, uncertainty, quantum jumps. Tetryonics resolves these paradoxes by restoring the correct geometry. Electrons are not clouds, they are 12p quantum rotors. Energy is not a probability, it is equilateral tessellation. Quantum jumps, they're field reconfigurations, not teleportation. Every quantum number, every orbital, every spectral line arises from the contracted charge geometry of the nucleus. Quantum mechanics becomes clear when the geometry is correct. QED describes how light and matter interact, but it relies on virtual particles, infinities, and renormalization. Tetryonics replaces this with fascia coupling geometry. Photons are not point particles, they are O-flux transitions in equilateral charge sheets. Electromagnetic fields are not abstractions. They are tessellated fascia geometries. Forces emerge from charge orientation alignment. The COA theorem: no infinities, no tricks, just geometry. QED becomes a literal, falsifiable structure. Chemistry begins in the nucleus, not the electron cloud. Tetryonics reveals that deuterium is the first real atom, and the building block of all periodic elements. Each deuteron is an 84p contracted charge topology with 3 apex bond points. These apexes force deuterons to stack in quantized layers, creating the true Kr nuclear shells. Electrons don't jump. They occupy standing wave KEM regions defined by nuclear geometry. The periodic table is not empirical, it's geometric. The universe is not made of particles, it is made of equilateral charge geometry. Tetryonics explains gravity, dark matter, and cosmic structure through contracted fascia interactions. Mass is not curvature, it's stacked equilateral energy. Space-time is not a fabric, it's a tessellated field of fascia tension. Galaxies, stars, and atoms all obey the same geometric rules. Cosmology becomes a unified extension of quantum geometry. Mathematics is not symbolic abstraction, it is geometric construction. Tetryonics redefines all physical constants, equations, and operators as equilateral tessellations. Planck's constant, Rydberg's formula, Lorentz corrections all emerge from the same fascia geometry. Every equation becomes a diagram, every proof becomes a topology. This is the foundation of falsifiable, IP-protected, AGI-compatible STEM cognition. Tetryonics is not just a theory, it's the geometry of reality.